All right, this is just a quick lesson for you to keep something in mind, and that is, where do you spend money, right? So just thinking about business again at a high level, because these first few videos are just to get our mindset right, to make sure that we're on the same page as far as the business we're picking, different types of businesses, how they work, and how we should approach this journey and with what mentality, right? So, a part of that, just a quick little something that I think is important, is you should start analyzing where you spend money. People wake up every day and spend money somewhere. Money's everywhere. Money's being printed. You probably know this already, right? So money's being printed on a daily basis. And you wake up, and every single person wakes up and they spend money every single day. So ask yourself, where do you spend money and why? For example, if you go to work, there's a coffee shop. Why do I go there? Is the waitress hot? Right? Is that why you go there? Is the coffee better than some other junk that's like on a street stand? Right? What is the reason? Analyze everything. Does this company have free delivery? Is it fast shipping? Is it a good quality sweatshirt? Right? Where do you spend money? Why do you spend money? And start thinking about how you can make something better or different, because that is the core of Sharks University. That's the core of it, right? We're going to make something 10% better or 10% different. We are not going to reinvent anything, because the only people that do that are freaking inventors. And I am not an inventor, nor do I want to be, right? So start thinking about that. Analyze, why did I go here? Why did I give this person money? Something made you go in your pocket and give somebody money, which is your life, which is your life. You spent your life making it. You went somewhere for an hour, got money for it, whether it's an hourly wage or a salary, whatever you did, you sold your life for this. So you're giving this person your life. So there's a good reason for it. I'm starving and you're close, right? This is very good. I want to have abs. You have something that's less fattening, right? Start thinking about those things as we move on, because there is a reason. Giving people a reason to buy something is number one. End of story. They have to have a reason to buy something, and there is a lot of reasons people buy something, right? So you invested in your knowledge to be here to hopefully learn something good from me that will help you a lot in your life, and I guarantee you it will. I bought something for my father because I found a funny sweatshirt. It's going to make him laugh. We're going to talk about it during Christmas. It's a reason, it's an emotional reason. There's a lot of different reasons, and we are going to give people and talk about this, what that reason is for them to buy your product.